This is a 2008 Dodge Charger. Having an issue with the right rear speed sensor. The sensor was replaced. Still have no signal here. So you see the positives and negatives, right? The source, the supply. See how they're opposite of each other? And that's where our problem is gonna be. Let me plug this in the way it would be and show you the signals. This one would go to the top. And let me get on the positive. The supply, they call it on the diagram. See, we got 10 volts, 12 volts. Okay, and then this is what they call the signal. It's a ground, but watch what happens when I plug this in. This is our symptom. All right, you see it drops down to 0.9, and you know, if I rotate the wheel, of course there's no signal there. And that's what we were chasing. We're chasing that. So then I start worrying about sensor being shorted and all that stuff. And I measured them. They're the same as like resistance wise measuring on the sensor. It's infinity one way and 1.5 million the other way. Both sensors measured the same way. But then I started thinking about the polarity of this and the differences. You know, we're real close to calling a module on this. But if I reverse these, watch. See a slight drop. Spin the wheel. There's your signal. That's what you want to see. And I believe that this sensor was constructed incorrectly. The polarity was reversed in the plug or on that end for this sensor. And I just thought that was a really interesting one to bring to you guys, that if you ever run into one of these where you're changing a speed sensor and you get one of these, man, you're going to end up replacing the ABS module next, because you'll go through the harness. You're not going to find any opens or shorts. Like we were doing a bunch of stuff yesterday on the harness and measuring things up at the module and seeing why this voltage was pulling low. And it's pulling low because internally, you see, that's the way it would be plugged into the harness. And you see it pulls it down. Yeah, no signal. So we got another sensor coming. Man, you talk about something that will throw you a curveball. This would be it right here.